Hi, today I'm making guacamole. Well, it's summer and it's the NBA finals, and I thought I'd make my husband some guacamole. This is a very quick recipe. So, we start with two medium sized avocados. And basically, you're looking for something that's soft but not overripe. So, this color is a good color to look for. You're going to peel those avocados and place them in a mixing dish or bowl. I picked 4 cherry tomatoes out of my garden, and I added an eighth of a cup of onion to the 2 avocados. I only used a half of a lemon, a medium-sized lemon. I know most people use lime. I just like lemon better in it. So I squeezed that lemon, avoiding the seeds, over the onions and avocado. Next, I chopped up my cherry tomatoes fine. I added onion powder, about a half a teaspoon. Pepper to taste, depending on what you like. You can add cilantro or chilies to this. This is just a simple recipe that I like. I add garlic powder, again to taste. And then I'm going to combine all of my ingredients and use what I call a potato smasher. It's really a potato masher. You're going to mash all your ingredients, and then you can refrigerate this for about a half hour and then serve. I add chips to the top, and it was a great afternoon and a nice welcome to summer treat.